Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can design your pair of jeans to make it more stylish. So here I'm measuring 1 inches apart. First of all, get the center of the jean. Then horizontally or vertically you mark 1 inch apart, while horizontally you mark half inch apart. So that's what I'm doing, as you can see. First of all, draw a line at the center, then mark it 1 inch apart, while horizontally you mark it half inch apart. So that's what I've just done here, and I'm trying to make my line straight by using a ruler to rule a straight line to get your dots in place. So once you are done with this, you cross check and make sure that your points are on point. So if you're a lover of jean and you want to make your jean stylish, I will advise you watch it to the end to see the final look. So once you're done with marking all of the points on the jean, then you bring out your eyelets. So here I have a 3 pieces punch set comprises of the one for making eyelets, the one for snap buttons, and then the one for belt holes, perforating belt holes. So I'm using a plier to puncture those marks that I made on the jean. You puncture each of the points that you have made. Here you make sure that the holes you're making are not big. Make them open, but let them not be too big, because when they are too big and you are trying to put the eyelet, it won't stay tight. You'll find out that the eyelets will come out from the hole that you have created. So these are the eyelets. Now we are fixing it into the hole that we have created. Now here is how to use the plier. If you look at it very well, there's a protruded part and a flat part. So that protruded part will go under while the flat part comes on top. It's really easy to handle. When I was done with the fixing the second eyelet, I could handle the plier properly. So it's really easy to fix. The protruded part is under while the flat part is on top. So here you can also use your rivet machine to do this. In fact, rivet machine will take as much inches vertically as you want. Here I went by 12 inches. So with rivet machine you can actually go 16 inches as high as you want it to be. While using the plier, as I went higher, I kept folding the jean, folding until I could not fold anymore. So here, this is how it's supposed to look. Fitted in the hole makes it look very, very classy and tidy. So we are going. This is the second line. Like I said, I marked 12 inches, high, and we're in the second row. So a total of 24 eyelets will be needed, depending on how far you want it to go. So that is it. As you can see, the folding has already started. So this is how your finished work is supposed to be looking like. once you're done. We couldn't go up to the 12 inches. We could only do 9 inches because of the folding. The plier couldn't. So yes, you can be very creative with this design. If you want it on just one part of your trouser, it's up to you, like it is in this video, you know. But for me, I put it on the second part of my trouser and finished up with a chain. And here's the final look. Like this video if it was helpful, and please subscribe. Thank you.